Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create mobile app design in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. And before we start creating our own design on Figma, what you can actually do is go to designcodes.com, where it will actually provide you UI designs that you can actually use on Figma as your base template, but this may need you to subscribe to this platform so that you will be able to use these templates for you to create designs on Figma. But even though you don't have an access or you haven't subscribed with this type of platform or software for you to be able to create designs on Figma for your mobile app, you don't have to worry. You can definitely still create one using the Figma's basic platform. But here it actually is providing you designs that already comes with codes in it, so that when you incorporate it into your Figma design, they will automatically be working for you, so you can have your designs whenever you preview it, it will be working as good. So what you can do here is go to figma.com, sign into your account, and then just click on a new project, and you'll be routed into this page. On the right side panel of the screen, you'll be able to choose what type of format. It could be either a mobile app or a tablet, but for me here, what I chose is the iPhone 14 format. So once you have that here, what you actually need to do is you can actually just simply add rectangles or add shapes with various of colors in it, so that you will have a different style that you can incorporate here on Figma. So you can also try to look into the plugins. There are also plugins that would definitely help you create your UI designs to build an app like this one here. When you will be clicking on or using or running this application for UI Builder, you can actually just select on what type of format you'd like to incorporate into your project, and then when you click on done, it will automatically create a new frame for you, so that you will be able to have that incorporated into your app design, as you can see here. So once you have chosen the specific parts of your application that you will be creating, you can actually um, preview that, and then you can just customize that according to your liking with your own images as well. So here on this part of the screen, you will be able to start creating your shapes or the background of your application. So what I did here is that aside from having a plugin to create a app, so what I'll do here is I actually will create this manually. So I'll be creating these parts first before I will be connecting these to each other. So what I'll do here is just designing the application. So I will be having this as the background of the image, and what I will do is that this will be the sign up page that, this is where you will be signing up once you have uploaded the application. So you can definitely use that here. So what you can do here is just look for the specific parts. You can also search on the plugins or components on what type of images you would like to incorporate or add into this part of your application. So you can actually use icons, and so that it would look legit here. So it would start looking like the real thing for your application. So you can actually, what I'll do here is this will be the sign up page. So we will be adding rectangles in it, where we will be adding the email, the password and where we will be clicking to sign up here. So I'll just have this text box here, and then I'll type in. So you can add a text just by clicking at the letter T on the top part of the website, just right beside where you can click the plugin, and then you can set up what font it is. Here on the right side panel of the screen, you can set the font size as well, and you can set as well the alignment, whether it would be right alignment, left alignment, or just center. So here I'll just be changing the color. I'll make it more translucent. I'll just change the opacity by changing the percentage just right beside the color, and then this would be the button where we will be clicking to create an account. I'll type in here sign in, then just resize it. Here. So it would actually be easier if you have or you will be subscribing to the design code or UI design code platform, since they actually have different assets available for you already, or templates that you can just simply add or paste into your frames here. So there's no need for you to do it manually. You just need to adjust it to wherever you want it to be. It's how easy it will be used here comparing to manually typing it in here and then adjusting the alignment. With the UI design code platform, they actually have a kit for you where it has a lot of templates that you can use, especially when you are starting to create your own applications. So what I'll do here is I'll just add a few designs on the background just by adding more shape, the similar shape of the first background that I created, and then I just had it um, change the opacity so that it would look like it's overlapping with each other, so it would look um, interesting and unique as well. So here, just adjusting these informations. Here, so what you can actually do as well is that if you don't want the circle to be perfectly circle, you can actually adjust the points here so that it would elongate and it would adjust to a different style. So you can click on the play icon as well on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to preview the application and how it would look like on the real thing. So here I just duplicated the frames for the sign up page, and I will just deleting these informations so that I will be able to add other details as well. So for the application that I'm creating here, it's actually just for searching images or just browsing images, like more like Pinterest. The idea of Pinterest where you can post your works, but and this is where you can post your works and you can also see other artists' works as well. So more like it's an application so that you will be able to collaborate with other artists and you'll be able to communicate with different ideas as well and gather inspiration as well with other communities. So what I'll do here is I actually just need to lock the shapes that I added on the background so that they will not be moving around. And what I'll do here is I'll start to create the search tab. I'll just add a rectangle on the top part of my application. And then what I can do here is that I will be changing the opacity of the shape that I created and go to plugins. When I go to plugins, I'll just go to Iconify and I will be able to use different icon so that I will be able to add it into my application, like this magnifying glass icon for search. And then I will just click on import icon, and then I will just resize and drag it to where I wanted to position. Make sure it has the right size. And then here, what I'll do is I will be adding another shape within here, and then I will be rounding the current corners of the rectangle at 20 degrees, as well as the outside rectangle as well, so it would look seamless. So the next thing that I'll do here is that you can also incorporate word, like forever, if ever you are ready to type in search, you can type in searching. And then here on this last page is an example of the page once you have searched an example of the image that you want to generate. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to create the mobile app here in Figma. So that's how you will be able to create design for your mobile app. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.